The cat is out of the bag, but in this video, I want to tell you a little bit more about our next release, Sink the Ship.
Down, 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 down. Time to take the ship down.
For our next single release, we are breaking away from our second album to bring you a pop-punk inspired song called Sink the Ship, which releases on Friday, 8 April. I specifically wrote the song for our Rock and Rum collaboration with Caesar's Rum. With this collaboration, we are planning various shows across South Africa with a pirate-inspired theme, and we thought it would be cool to write a song that people could couple with the Rock and Rum evening. Caesar's slogan is Sink the Ship, which makes for a really catchy song title. And when I think of rum, I immediately think of pirates. Even though pirates were by no stretch of the imagination good guys, in my mind, they seem to know how to have a good time. So I took the slogan and wrote a song using pirate-like metaphors and relating them to a modern-day party. Typical to pop-punk tunes, the song is fast-paced, tongue-in-cheek, catchy, and super fun, unlike our normal material that deals with a little bit more serious topics. Staying true to our visual music video storytelling, we had to find a way to link this with our narrative of our ongoing Season 2 story. And what better way than to have our protagonist consume some rum and then dream up wild and wacky stories about pirates. Drickers had real fun creating the visuals because he got to play around with pirate imagery, ships, skeletons, sharks and swords. I think we can all agree that the album cover looks really cool. We are planning various events across South Africa that will obviously include a future radio performance and a pirate party with fun, games and plenty of rum. You can keep an eye out on our social media to see where and when these events will be happening. To include our international friends in the fun, we'll be running a very cool competition with awesome prizes, so you can also be on the lookout for that. For now, you can pre-save Sink the Ship on Spotify. I'll leave a link in the description below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our weekly video releases. We can't wait to share the track and the video with you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the road.